How to fix and solve not available on PolyBuzz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Here, scroll down and click on apps and notifications. Then click on app info at the top. After you're in app info, you'll find a list of apps. Scroll down and search for PolyBuzz. After you find PolyBuzz in here, simply click on it. Then go to Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache. After you've done this, open Play Store. Search PolyBuzz. After you've searched PolyBuzz, you'll find the official PolyBuzz app. Here, if there is update available, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some issues. And this is how to fix and solve not available on PolyBuzz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.